Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Govo Soundbar to Samsung TV. Let's go. First way, Bluetooth. Open Settings. Sound output. Bluetooth speaker list. Turn on the parent mode on your soundbar. Select your soundbar. Or open all settings, sound output, Bluetooth speaker list. Turn on the parent mode on your soundbar. Select your soundbar. Second way, optical or HDMI. Open connection guide. Select HDMI or optical. Find the optical or HDMI input on your TV. Use HDMI earc input. Connect the optical or HDMI cable to the TV and to the soundbar. Open sound output. Select your soundbar. After connecting, open the TV settings, sound, expert settings, turn on earc mode. External device manager, turn on anynet plus. That's it. Now you know how to connect Govo Soundbar to Samsung TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.